Super easy. First, we're gonna open our glove box, take our stuff out, and in the back, we wanna remove this plastic. Right here, we'll push in, pull out, this whole thing gets removed. Our cabin air filter lives right behind this plate. On this side, we just push this in, pull out, just like that. On the other side, we can come in through this or right here, either one. Pull on it too, push in. There we go. Right here's our cabin filter. Just grab a hold of it, pull it out. Got our new one, we'll just slide it in. And we'll note the orientation. This says up, so we'll put that pointing up. And then same on our cover, it'll say up. So we'll keep that pointing up. Put this in like that. Push it in until it snaps. That's it. Now we'll get this cover, push that in like that, lock it, snap, put our stuff back in, close the glove box, and we're done. In less than 5 minutes, you got a new cabin filter. Good job.